Our entire body, and especially our intestines, is greatly affected by our dietary habits and the quality of the food we consume. Toxins from the food can build up in the tissues and lead to various severe health conditions, such as weakened immune system, poor energy, diarrhea, constipation, and issues with bowel movements. All these issues can be prevented or solved by regular colon cleansing treatments, which can also promote weight loss and enhance overall health. Nutritionists recommend detoxification prior to any weight loss program. We will suggest a recipe consisting of only 2 ingredients that will cleanse the colon and improve your health. It includes kefir and flaxseed, which is a potent combination that should be used in small amounts and effectively detoxifies the system. You should gradually increase the amount of the mixture, as fermented foods can significantly affect digestion. Kefir contains specific grains and milk and is high in amino acids, B vitamins, minerals, and proteins, which have a beneficial effect on the intestines. This combination will detox the intestines and destroy E. coli, while regulating the proper balance of good bacteria, due to the strong probiotic structures of healthy yeast and several strains of beneficial bacteria. In this way, it will strengthen immunity and support digestion. Flaxseed is rich in a type of omega-3 fatty acid known as alpha-linolenic acid, which removes waste. You should soak it in water and consume it afterward in order to cleanse the colon. Moreover, you should grind the flaxseed in a coffee grinder in order to help the digestive system digest it easily. You should consume this mixture 2 to 3 times a week for 15 days, and the immune system will restore its optimal capacity. This is how to prepare it. To 1/3 or 1/4 glass of kefir, add a tablespoon of ground kefir and drink the combination twice a day, once in the morning, as soon as you wake up, and in the evening, before going to bed. Do not forget to drink plenty of water during the treatment, at least 8 glasses daily. After 15 days, you should make a 2-day break, and then you can repeat the cleansing method. You will feel the first improvements after a couple of days.